So in this video, I'll show you how to install AutoGPT and run it from your local PC on Mac. So AutoGPT is amazing. It can automate tasks, learn from them, it can improve itself. It has a lot of features. You can read about it. It has internet access, long-term, short-term memory management, GPT-4, and much more. So you can read all of this in here. Basically, people are calling it the first step toward AGI, which stands for artificial general intelligence, the AI that we see in movies like Chappie and all that. So basically it can automate various tasks and even run it on your own computer. That's what we're going to do in this video, but I'm sure you already know this if you search for this video. So let's just get started. So you'll need to visit this GitHub page for AutoGPT, which I will link in the description. The main requirement for running AutoGPT includes Python, API keys, Git. Yeah, that's it. So and in this tutorial, I will explain everything step by step. So even if you are not familiar with terminal or command line, you will be able to follow along. So first, you will need to install Homebrew on your computer, which you can do by copying and pasting the installation command provided on the Homebrew website. So let's do that. So this is the Homebrew website, and I can just copy this command from here and paste it in the terminal, and you will see it will basically start the installation process. And now we have the Homebrew package manager. So now we can run command like brew install. So we can use this and install GitHub from just by simply typing brew install git, and boom, it will start installing Git. And once you've done that, then we will move on to installing Python, which you can also do by simply typing brew install Python. So after you install Git, run the command brew install Python, just like I'm doing right here, and boom, now we have installed Git, we have Python. Now I also recommend installing VS Code, Virtual Studio Code, because it provides a better interface for working with AutoGPT instead of running it in a terminal. So this step is obviously optional, and you can still run on AutoGPT from a terminal if that's what you want. And I'm going to install VS Code. It's very simple. If you want to install, all you have to do is just go to this website and just download it for Mac, and you can simply install it. Now once you have installed the required software, now you are ready to install AutoGPT. Now go to the AutoGPT GitHub page and follow the installation instructions. It is very clearly mentioned here. Clone the repository first of all to your local machine. Just copy this first and paste it to your terminal and just run it, and it will start cloning the repo to your local machine. So it won't take long, it's very quick. Then you type this, then you copy paste this second part. This is cd AutoGPT. It will basically change the directory to AutoGPT. Now you're inside AutoGPT, then you run the third command, copy paste. Basically all I have to do is just copy and paste, and it will install the dependencies and the requirements that you need. Now I've already done this, that's why you see requirement already satisfied here, but you will see a different. Basically it will take 30 seconds, 40 seconds or whatever. Now we are done with this terminal, you can close it. Now the AutoGPT is set. So open VS Code and navigate to AutoGPT folder. Here we are on the AutoGPT folder. This is it. Now first thing that you need to do is rename this .env.template file and name it to .env. Okay, just .env. Okay, after this, all we have to do is, you see here this .env file we have, it's asking for the API keys for Pinecone, OpenAI and 11 Labs. So now we are going to get our API keys from the official websites of OpenAI, 11 Labs and Pinecone, and we are going to just paste our API keys. So let's do that. You can just click here to visit OpenAI website, and you will copy your API key and paste it in the OpenAI API key section. Similarly, you can go to 11 Labs official website and copy your API key from there. If you don't have account, then you need to sign up first and just paste. You can also have option to choose different host ID. We're not doing that in this video, but you can play around after you have done install. Basically I'm only showing you how to run it in your Mac. Similarly, you need to go to Pinecone, and this is website that will provide the memory. So here you need to copy the environment also along with the API key. So we'll paste the environment here also, Pinecone and that's basically it. So once you've added your API keys, you're all set to start using AutoGPT. Now remember, you can always run it from your terminal or use VS Code, whichever you prefer. Now that you have API keys ready, you can start configuring AutoGPT. So first of all, you need to go to this file called mean in the script, mean.py. This is how you will run. Just click on it and click the run button over here and it will start running. You will see welcome. Would you like to return to being Entrepreneur GPT? So it's a default set to Entrepreneur GPT, but you can change the role. So basically it will ask you to enter your name of your AI, which you can choose as, let's say, YouTuber GPT, and the AI will then provide you with various options like setting goals or managing businesses. For instance, you are let's say assign 2 goals to your AI: making YouTube videos and maximizing ROI. So the AI should now focus on these goals and generate responses accordingly. So this powerful AI tool can help automate tasks, provide valuable insights, and streamline your workflow. As you continue to use AutoGPT, you'll likely discover even more features and capabilities. So enjoy exploring AutoGPT. That's basically it for this tutorial.